Do you know that you have to visit a GST Suvidha Kendra for getting a new GST registration now? So earlier an OTP based Aadhaar authentication was done, on the basis of which ARN, acknowledgement receipt number of the GST application, was generated. But now GSTN has introduced a new system of biometric based Aadhaar authentication and document verification process, under which the applicant will either receive an OTP based Aadhaar authentication link, which is the same as earlier process, or a link for booking an appointment with the GST Suvidha Kendra, wherein the address of the GST Suvidha Kendra will be mentioned, the due date for booking the slot with the GSK will be mentioned, and the document to be carried while visiting the GSK will be mentioned. So once the slot booking is done by the applicant will have to go to the GSK at the allotted time with the documents and get his or her biometric based Aadhaar authentication done, only after which the ARN will be generated. That means the GST registration application will be completed. Now this new system has been implemented in approximately 17 states and UTs till date. Hope you found this interesting and insightful. Keep being placed for more such tax update videos. Thank you and Jai Hind.